Your role on the boat?
My name is Normund Butkus. I am from Latvia, from North Europe, and I'm second engineer here. And I do all the jobs which in close cooperation with chief engineer. And, they take care about the fuel quality, to clear the fuel and to keep the tanks full, and that's the most task.
Is this your first time working with Moana Minerals on this boat?
Yeah, when they bought the vessel, I joined in Amsterdam, and they just prepared the vessel. Then I joined, and was still on shore power, and nothing was happening here. And they invite me to come here as well. It's with Moana Minerals, very enjoyable experience. Yeah, very positive. All this project is positive. What is it? Blame-free policy. That is the nicest part of all of this. All in one direction, one team. That's a good one.
My name is Charlon Brian Castro. I'm motorman here in Moana. And as a motorman, I have my responsibilities here is to maintain the cleanliness of our engine and assist all my officers. Every day we have a daily routine here in engine room. First, we will check all oil levels with our main engine, auxiliary engine, and we check all our bilges here in engine room.
Is this your first time working with Moana Minerals?
This is my second contract here in Moana. First, I don't have any idea that we work here in Moana, because the time when I joined in this ship is in dry dock in Galveston, USA. So we don't have any idea that we go here to join the Moana. This job in Moana is very challenging and interesting, because we see the new and high-tech technologies that they bring here in Moana. I just want to say thank you to all my officers and for all of crew of this Moana to have a teamwork, any job here in engine, on deck. Yeah, that's it.
My name is Percy Tornimbao. I'm from Fiji. I'm the ETO on the ship Moana, electrotechnical officer. And my duties on board is I'm responsible for the maintenance, repair, installation, fault finding, and testing on all electrical and electronic system on board. So normally I'm on day shift and on call 24 hours. So anytime at night, any breakdown, they'll give me a call and I have to attend onto the breakdown. So day shift and 24 hours on call.
Okay. And how did you get involved with Moana Minerals?
One of our captain in Fiji, Captain Iso, saw the post on Facebook. And they relied to me on the information. So that's how I end up here. And it's been a great privilege to come and work on the offshore ship. Yeah.
Working on this boat, it's a fun experience, also challenging, interesting.
Yeah, it's been interesting, learning all free-fall grab, how it works, box score, ROV, that's the new thing I've been learning. Yeah. It's been interesting working on this research vessel. I'd like to thank the team in the engine room. They've been supporting so far. And usually we'll come in the morning. We'll say Yanra, and after work we say Sukanabule. That's all. Yeah. Thank you.